What's going on, guys? It's Brett from Foyr. Today I'll be showing you how to design an outdoor kitchen in Foyr Neo. Super user-friendly platform, perfect for beginners. So let's get started. Normally I would start by going to this room tab and creating my room. But first I just wanted to show you that if you go to File, Settings, you can change your wall thickness. So I'm just going to go with 6 inches for a standard exterior wall. So I'm going to go with room, and I'll just do 15 by 25. Once you have the room the size you want it, you can click on the wall, go to edit, and here you can adjust the wall height. You can keep it on full wall where it will affect every single wall in the frame, or partial wall and the changes will apply to just the selected wall. So if you like that, you can go to 3D. I threw a couple things in here from the catalog, so let's add on to them. This whole unit was actually from the catalog, perfect for an outdoor kitchen. This was a product that I created, so I'm going to modify it. I'm going to add on to it a little bit. If you don't want everything hidden, you can unclick the Hide Environment button. It brings everything right back. So I'm going to create a rectangle about 2.5 feet, and then I'm going to pull that all the way out here. So I need to create another rectangle for that countertop, overhanging about 1 inch. And I'm going to pull that all the way out here as well. Now I'm going to have bar seating out here, so I need to extend that countertop out. So I'm going to, yet again, create another rectangle on this corner, all the way down. Gotta zoom in a little bit. So that's on the end there, and I want it to be 1.5 inches. I'm going to pull that out, call it 12 inches. There's still lines in here, so let me see if I can trim them. Perfect. Now everything lines up. I added some stuff to my short list, like these stools. I'm going to use the rotate tool, and I'm going to grow them a little bit. If you like the placement, go ahead and clone them. And scooch them in. I want to add a little bit of character, inspire. So I'm going to use another item from my short list that I found in the texture tab, actually just right there, wall cladding. And then you can just copy texture material and put it everywhere. So I added these trusses here. I'm just going to clone that. Drop the product, move it up to where it needs to go. Now I need to make sure that everything is spaced correctly. Get them up in the middle. Perfect. Now I added one of these posts. I went in here, catalog, floor docked cube. There's a few different options, but I chose this one right here. Put it on the edge, click it, edit. I want it to be more like 6 by 6, so 6 inches, 6 inches. Double click on it to zoom in, and let's put it right in the corner. Hit the resize button to bring it up. I'm going to clone that. Clone it again. Drop it in there. Now I found some random lighting that I think works pretty well. So I'm going to center this in the middle of the eating area here. And I'm going to grow it a little bit. I like that. So now I'm going to add that rug. Rotate it. Bring it over. Some chairs I found earlier. And a little table I found earlier. Now, if you wanted a different item, a different chair, different table, different anything that you didn't find in the catalog, you can go to My Library, upload model, has to be an OBJ or FBX file, under 30 megabytes. I don't have anything right now that I need to upload, but that's how you would do it. Save it to your computer, upload it, and there's plenty of videos on Foyr's YouTube channel to find that out. Now let me change the floor. Nice concrete floor here. And these posts need to be the same color as everything else. So let me try to copy this wood here and paste it. Now, if you like the look of everything, you can go to Take Render. You can adjust your field of view. You can adjust your camera height. And if you go to lighting, here you can adjust your preset times of day, interior lighting, and the environment, which is pretty important for these outdoor areas. So I'm going to actually stick with this preset here, but I don't want to see the towers in the background. So maybe something like that. Make sure they're gone. They are. Okay. And hit Get Preview and wait for that to load. And if you like that preview, you can hit Take Render. We're going to go with 4K and hit Render. Here's the final products, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try our 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.